Okay, you need to make money and fast and want to start your own business. I'm going to share with you my best business ideas to make money fast right now. And I know what I'm talking about. My name is David Paul. I'm an investor, founder, and entrepreneur that has generated tens of millions from real businesses that have started from absolutely nothing. And I'm here now to tell you the business ideas you can use to make money quickly. Let's be realistic. Sometimes you don't have the luxury of waiting months or even years for your business to take off. So what kind of business can you start today and actually get paid within 30 days? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video today. I'm going to share with you real business ideas, not just random online hustles or gimmicks that can generate actual revenue in your first month. Some are online, some are offline, and some are a blend of both. But they all have one thing in common. They're simple to start and you can generate cash really quickly. If you're looking for a full strategy to launch a business with little or no money, check out my book, The Zero Cash Startup. Link is in the description. And if you're feeling stuck, I also do one-on-one strategy sessions, but I only do one to help you break through. So one a week that you can apply at the link in the description. So let's get started on the ideas. First, let's talk about high value local services. This is one of the fastest ways to get paid. Provide a high value service to someone in your local area. Now, don't dismiss local service businesses. They are easy to start. It's reasonably easy to get customers and you can generate cash quickly. Best of all, though, you can scale these businesses into other areas, grow into a chain, either directly or by franchising your business. So they generate cash quickly and you can grow a business that is saleable in the future. So what's not to like about local service businesses? Sure, it's not some shiny tech company or fancy retail shop, but don't dismiss it. There are many millionaires and billionaires who started by offering high value local services in their local area. So whether it's mobile car wash or car detailing, driveway or patio cleaning, pet waste removal, whatever it is, don't dismiss these types of businesses as small businesses. As well as the fees per service, it's pretty easy to move clients into recurring subscriptions with monthly recurring services. So it's repeat business too, which is fantastic. These businesses have huge potential. Provide 4 services a day, $100 a service. That's over 100 grand a year. Find a higher value service at $300 and at over 300 grand a year. You can see by scaling this, do the maths, you can see how easy it would be to get a 1 million or 2 million a year business just with a bit of expansion. Now, it's not glamorous, but it is profitable. And you can easily sign up clients through Facebook groups, Gumtree, Nextdoor, or going door to door and just through word of mouth. Again, it's not glamorous, but some huge brands have started this way and it's fast to generate cash. And that's what we're here for. So the next idea, if you have something to sell, like a physical product, then maybe consider a pop-up shop or weekend market stall. Now, it's often overlooked in favor of a more trendy online e-commerce store, and you'll want to do that too. But don't dismiss in-person retail as a quicker way to get cash through the door, even if your longer-term plan is only selling online. An online store is unlikely to bring in cash straight away unless you have some form of existing distribution, like a social media following or an email list. But a pop-up physical in-person retail store or market store can be a great way to generate quick cash as well as trial demand for a new product. You get customer feedback face to face. Tons of big brands have got started this way, so don't dismiss the idea of a market stall as too small, because you'd be surprised by the connections you can make at these sorts of events. A fashion artist friend of mine sold their art for a few weeks at a local market in Australia and sold barely anything. But they had 4 separate people stop by their stall who turned out to be big fashion industry people. And these people went on to spend over $20,000 with them for corporate commissions. How good is that? So by attending a small market, they did 2 things. They proved, number one, their art wasn't commercial for retail. No one was actually buying it. But they also found out that they were super talented and their work was of interest to corporate clients. A far more valuable discovery just by turning up. It's easy to find local markets or pop-up retail events in your area. You'll find general and specialist markets in most places around the world. So it's likely there are lots in your local area. And the benefit to these is that you can start fast and often with no long-term commitment. Whether you create products you sell or you source simple, easy to display items, you can set up a small, engaging display that costs you next to nothing. So that's retail. Next, let's talk about leveraging the existing skills that you already have. One of the lowest effort ways to get paid fast is to sell a skill or leverage a talent that you already have, right? So, for example, you might be a marketeer or have experience in copywriting, or perhaps you're a fitness trainer or nutritionist. Maybe you're great at home organizing or cooking, and you can write about those things. You can find work on freelancer sites like Upwork or Fiverr, or even Facebook groups or Reddit posts. There are lots of places to find freelance work. And remember to be clear about what it is you provide and how it can help the other person. Ideally, you'll have at least one testimonial, but don't worry if you don't. Just get out there, get listing your services, and get paid. A fantastic way to get paid freelancing work is to scour the job ads. Look for smaller or mid-sized companies who are hiring a skill or in your area of expertise, right? So here's what you do. Don't apply for the job, but instead reach out directly to the hirer and see if they consider using a freelancer on a trial basis. It takes a lot of time, money, and effort for a business to hire someone as a permanent employee. So if the role is task orientated, i.e., people are being paid to do a task like bookkeeping, marketing, graphic design, etc., then chances are a freelancer will be cheaper and more efficient than a part-time or a full-time employee. You can sell the benefits of using a freelancer, and chances are, given how hard it is these days to hire people, the business will probably take a chance on you as a freelancer. Even if you only land one or two clients, that's income in the door fast, and it can be a great foundation to build a great business. Now, don't write off freelancing as just another job where you get paid per hour or per job. Freelancing can morph into a real scalable business as you grow. You can bring on more team members, you can expand your offering, and develop an agency type business that can be sold, often for really big sums of money. Some huge companies have started from one person doing a bit of work for one company as a freelancer, and they've ended up as huge agencies sold for millions or even billions of dollars. So, the next idea, teach what you know. Whether in person or online, you can make money within a week by teaching the skills you have, and everyone has at least one skill they can teach. Although you'll definitely want to be teaching online within a short period of time, first consider your classes, courses, teaching or events can be offered in person first of all, as it can often be a faster way to make money, and you can leverage local events websites. Maybe consider collaborating with local cafes or event centers. A friend of mine is a kimono expert, so collabs with local fashion schools, Japanese shops, and arts and crafts businesses. They do all of that because often these places want to offer interesting and fun events to their customers. So you get to leverage their existing distribution and sell your event or course. And they get a great event too, so it's a win-win for everybody. As I said, it's likely to be quicker to start with in-person events, but you'll definitely want to get online quickly, as it can be more profitable and more scalable. There are some massive, massive businesses created from online courses, so it's a great place to start. For the local events, you can promote in Facebook groups or on sites like Eventbrite. Have a look at other events in the area to see what you can charge and what's the going rate for similar courses. But don't let that put you off charging a little more. Local events are often very underpriced, and people are usually willing to pay much more. You only need a few signups to make decent money with this type of business, and can often use these events to upsell your other products and services, which is where the real money is made. Okay, moving on. We have plenty more ideas later in this video. And before I tell you this next idea, let me ask you something. If I told you there is a business you could start today and within weeks be making an annualized revenue of over $250,000 with less than $100 investment, what would you say? Well, it's not exciting. In fact, it's downright boring. It's cleaning or home service. Don't turn off. Wait. Before you turn off, stick with me here. Cleaning is a gold mine, particularly end of lease or spring cleans. A mate of mine in the UK, he charges £300 a clean, does 4 a day, works 6 days a week, and brings in £344,000 a year. That's almost £500,000. He's his own boss, he manages his own time, has minimal expenses, and could easily sell the business for a tidy sum. He's also nailed the marketing. He focuses on high rise buildings in one city. This means he has access to thousands of apartments, often who have WhatsApp groups or Facebook groups or other resident groups or apps. So he only needs a few clients to recommend him on these groups and apps, and business just comes through the door day after day. Now, some days he'll be doing 4 cleans in the same building, which is super efficient. He could easily tag on a recurring weekly clean service or expand, but he's happy doing what he's doing. And, who wouldn't be at that sum of money with a solopreneur type business? So before you write off getting your hands dirty, consider how simple the business is and how profitable it is. There are few businesses around that are so profitable, so scalable, and so simple to run. So next time you look down your nose at a cleaner, consider whether they might actually be earning a lot more than you do and have a business they can sell for hundreds of thousands in the future. If I had no money to start a business and few skills, this is 100% the business I'd start. Now, if cleaning isn't your thing, here's the next idea. So if you've got a computer in a few hours, you can create a simple digital product and sell it within a week. These are things like ebooks or checklists or stationery, things like wedding stationery, wedding party invites, birthday stationery, things people go on things like Etsy for, they pay for and they download. They might be templates for programs like Notion, Canva, Adobe. There are limitless ideas, and this idea could be a video in its own right. There are tons of content online about this type of idea, but you can sell it on Etsy or Gumroad or via social media. The opportunities are endless. Have a look online for more ideas. There are people making millions each year selling $1 or $5 digital downloads on Etsy. Whilst you won't want to rely on third-party distribution like Etsy forever, and you'll definitely want to build your own brand and website, it is a great way to generate cash quickly to kickstart a long-term business because you're leveraging the distribution of someone like Etsy. Remember, if you need to make money quickly, don't waste time getting bogged down in big business plans or perfect logos. Start with what you can do right now. It might not be your dream business, but you can use the funds you generate to create your dream business over time. So many of the ideas I've shared today can turn into real long-term businesses if you choose. But even if you just need cash today, they're going to get the job done. They're going to get you some cash coming through the door. So pick one idea, take action today. If you find yourself procrastinating or get stuck and need help launching, then as I say, I do one-on-one breakthrough and strategy sessions. I only do one per week with one client. So apply on the website for your chance to have that one-on-one with me, because I know I can help. I've started, grown and sold multiple businesses. I know what it takes. I know how to do it. You can also grab a copy of the Zero Cash Startup for more step-by-step strategies. If you're interested, please see the link in the description. As I said earlier, my name's David Paul, and I do these videos to help those starting out. So if you've got any help from this video, please do hit the like button, and you can subscribe too for more business tips and ideas. It really helps the channel grow. As I said, I'm here sharing my knowledge after 20 years or more than 20 years, starting, growing and selling successful businesses. I want to help people like you overcome the obstacles to getting started. So it means the world to me when you like or subscribe, or when you leave a comment. I really appreciate it. Thank you again for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.